guys, here we are, New Year's Day flight. I'm up here about 267 foot. I'm going to do a slow pan around. Got quite a bit of snow. Going into the neighborhood here a little bit. Just stopped snowing about 30 minutes ago. About a 300-foot look at things. Go to about 350. That's good, that's high enough. I'll take it back around the other way. It's cold out here, but I wanted to get a flight in real quick. So the first flight on the first day. Little Nova Prince down there, all covered with snow. He's kind of breaking up a little bit. Bring it down. That wind's starting to pick up pretty good. Just a quick look around the neighborhood. Come down here and bring it back. She's not liking the snow too much. We're going to go ahead and stop recording here.
Landing.
Alright. And that will conclude this flight. Hope you guys enjoyed. Happy New Year, everyone. And if you would, hit the like button on your way out. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, hope you have a prosperous and wonderful New Year. Thank you. Bye.